Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Hope y'all doing well today. I'm just getting on here to let y'all know what we're doing. Well, this weekend we're gonna try to go to another distributor to see if we can find some more of our products that we wanted to use. We're trying to have different distributors, maybe 1, 2, or 3, because you never know, especially with what's going on today. So that's what we're doing, and we're trying to get on this app, but they want some of our information, and that'll be closer to us. As far as the Murfreesboro area go, we can let people know closer to us, because we're on all social media platforms, but it seems like we're nationwide instead of just our specific area, which is nothing wrong with that. We're appreciative of that, but we want to reach out to our local Murfreesboro area so we can get our name out there and people can know us, because if we're not reaching out, then they won't be able to find us or be able to know what's going on. So that's what we're doing today, and I'm still trying to do deliveries from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. If you want to order and you're in the Murfreesboro area, 5 miles of West Clark Boulevard, Memorial Boulevard, downtown Murfreesboro, places like that. All right, well, y'all be blessed. Have a good day. Be safe. Love y'all.